How's it going, boys? I just wanted to do a quick update video. I've had a busy couple weeks. I was in Reno for Hot August Nights. This is the only picture I took right here. And then this weekend coming up, we're going to the Rubicon. So our trucks were all mixed up, and just so happened that Carter's truck was at my house and my truck was at Carter's house, which is like two hours apart. So I'm meeting Carter right now. We're gonna switch trucks so we can get loaded up and go to the Rubicon this weekend. I just got a lot of subscribers for the, I think for the 4Runner build. So if you're looking for videos on that, they are coming. I'll give you a little teaser photo right here. And I've got parts coming. I've got, the gears showed up today. I started progress on making 37s fit, obviously. I've been doing a bunch of little maintenance things, getting the radio working and yada yada. So things are in the works. I had a busy couple weeks, so look for videos of the 4Runner in probably 2 weeks or so. There will be a video of the Rubicon coming up here very shortly, because we're going tomorrow night, tomorrow night, the next night. I don't know. We're going this weekend. And we're taking both trucks this time, and we're meeting up with the boys from Fordyce again. So that should be a fun trip. And look for a video on that one. All right, guys, that's it for now.